That's the advantage that some of these younger players have with them. They've already tasted the flavour of international cricket. Either they've played T20 cricket or 50-over cricket before they're drafted into the Test 11. That eases the pressure.
Again, the length is what is defeating the bowler. The movement defeats the batsman, but the length just preventing him from getting that decision.
There's still something in it for the medium pacers. Steep bounce and ball cut back to hit the thigh of the batsman.
Found the right length and of course the line. Good delivery.
Beautiful piece of bowling from Muhammad Asif and good keeping from Kamran Akmal. Their supporters are happy. This is a vital breakthrough that Pakistan has got. Courtesy a brilliant delivery. Angle away from the left-hander, and it really had to be a good delivery to dismiss a stubborn, a stout, a resilient Katic. Lips in the air. Victory for Asif. Simon Katic goes after batting well for 80. It's 174 for 4.
But I think he's perhaps thinking possibly pad then bat.
Close thing for Marcus North. Asif has now picked up 2 and almost got another one. Fuller length and maybe bat before the ball hit the pads. Pad and then bat. Wow. If that was the case, then Mikey should have been out.
Yes, but always quite difficult. If you notice, even the bowler aborted his appeal. He wasn't sure himself. What about that one? So difficult whenever the bat and the pad are that close together. And the bowler is perhaps 15, 16 meters away, Ramiz.
This is beautiful to watch. He's making the ball talk. He's raised a bit of pace as well. This time clearly the ball hitting the bat and then the pad. But the first one was the pad first and then the bat.
Creating a few problems though. That's it. Right through the gap. A better length. Batsman coming forward.
That's why he's so good against the left-handers. His track record is improving all the time when it comes to picking up the left-handers. This really was from the top draw. It was relentless pressure that really had the better of the batsman in the end. Comprehensively bowled Marcus North. Another leap of victory for Muhammad Asif. He's on song. Hit a purple patch after tea. He's gone early. Very early for not. 174 for 5.